Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL. 5:47 AM CST Tuesday, February 14, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall-Jackson DeKalb Cullman Lincoln Franklin TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cullman, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan. 5:47 AM CST Tuesday, February 14, 2023. Wind advisory remains in effect from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 6 AM CST Wednesday. Watt. South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 35 to 45 miles per hour expected. The highest gusts may occur in the higher elevations, where portions of north central, northeast and northwest, Alabama and southern middle Tennessee. When, from 3 p.m. this afternoon to 6 a.m. CST Wednesday, impacts, gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects, and